think this is okay. Open. I think closing it is fine. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. This is okay, I think. Yeah, this is okay. So let's get started. Welcome back to my channel. Afambungozika. My name is Ngozika, that typical Igbo girl from the eastern part of Nigeria, Anambra State precisely, and you're welcome back to my channel, okay? If today is your first time here, thank you for stopping by. I really appreciate you. I promise you a truckload of fun. Yes, I promise you a truckload of fun. And all my returning subscribers, thank you for always stopping by. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching my videos each time I make new upload. So in today's video, we're going to talk about pronouns. Pronouns in Igbo language. In Igbo, pronouns simply translates Nnochiaha. Nnochiaha. But before we delve into what we have for today, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I make new uploads, you always be the first to be notified. Yes, today's topic, either I and Banyata or pronouns. Nnochiaha. Pronouns, Nnochiaha. Quickly, nouns are called aha in Igbo. Aha is apa, names, names. Aha, that is for nouns. But when we talk about pronouns, we call that Nnochiaha. We all know pronouns are words that can replace a noun, okay, in a sentence. So Nnochiaha, replacement of names. That Nnochi, replacement of a noun. Aha. So Nnochiaha for pronouns, okay? So today we are going to look at these pronouns, some of these pronouns in Igbo. This will help improve your vocabulary, alright? So let's get started. The first on our list today is I or me. I or me. In Igbo, that simply translates or mu. Or mu. For I or me. Let's look at these examples. Anam abia. Anam abia. Anam abia. I am coming. Anam abia. Anam abia. I am coming. Okay? Anam elini. Anam elini. I am eating. Okay? Give me. Give me. Nyem. Nyem. Give me. Nyem. The nyem. We also have wetelum. Wetelum. Bring me. Bring me that. Wetelum iva. Wetelum ive. Wetelum. Bring me. Okay? That is get me this or get me that. So or mu is I or me. Now let me give you another sentence that has to do with mu. Okay? Mu na one name. My sibling and I. Mu na one name. Nelini. I am eating with my sibling. My. Okay? Mu na oyem. Mu na oyem. My friend and I. In English, your friend comes before you. You and I. You and I. But in Igbo, I and you. That is mu na oyem. That's my friend and I. Not I and my friend. That's the correct thing in English, right? My friend and I. But in Igbo, I comes before whoever. When you are trying to explain something between you and someone, I always come first and not the person. Unlike the English language, when we have my friend and I, my sister and I, my brother and I. But in Igbo, it is I and my brother. Mu na one name woke. I think, yes, I've done something on na. The three different ways of using na in Igbo language. I'll leave the link in the description, okay? so you can lay your hands on that video. It's very, very important. Very interesting video. It will help you build your Igbo sentences. Alright? So back to mu. Mu na name, my mother and I. Mu. You can also use na, but it sounds better when you say mu and not na, one name. But mu na, one name. It sounds better. So we have or mu for I or me. That's the first pronoun, okay? The second one is you. You. In Igbo, we have gi. Okay, gi. You and I. Mu na gi. Mu na gi. You and I. Mu na gi. Gi na va. You and them. Gi na va. You and them. Okay? Now the plural of you in Igbo is unu. Unu. Okay? Unu. The plural of you in Igbo. Remember I said you means ge in Igbo. Now the plural of you in Igbo is unu. The plural unu. Okay? So we have, let us say, all of you. Unu niile. Unu niile. Unu niile. All of you. But the plural is unu. Okay? The next on our list is he, she, or it. He, she, or it. In Igbo, we have two sounds, the o and the o. Okay? We have the o and the o, depending on the sentence you are trying to make. Let's look at this example. She is beautiful. She is beautiful. O malumma. O malumma. She is beautiful. O malumma. She, o. Okay? He is tall. O tolu ogonogo. O tolu ogonogo. He is tall. O malumma. She is beautiful. O tolu ogonogo. He is tall. Okay? O malive rinne. He is very brilliant. He is very brilliant. O malo. Ive rinne. He is very brilliant. Okay? So we have the o and the o, which is it, she, or he. Okay? Cool, okay? He loves me. He loves me. Ofulum nanya. He loves me. Ofulum nanya. Owolum nanya. He loves me. Now that brings us to her, him, and still it. Her, him. Okay? That one is ya. Ya is for her or him. And sometimes it. Okay? Now let's make examples with ya. Give her this. Give her this. Nye ya iwe. Nye ya iwe. Nye iwe. Okay? Give her this. Nye iwe. Nye ya iwe. That is ya, her. Alright? Her. Now we talk of him. Is the same ya. Okay? Now the next on our list is we. Us. We. Us. Are. We. Us. Are. Simply translate anyị. Anyị in Igbo language. Anyị na-abịa. We are coming. Anyị na-abịa. We are coming. Anyị na-eli nri. We are eating. Anyị na-eli nri. We are eating. Anyị na-agba ọsọ. We are running. Okay? Rafụla anyị. Ocha, leave the seat for us. Rafụla anyị oche ndị a. Leave these seats for us. Please see us off. Biko, dufuge anyị. See us. Dufuge anyị. Biko, dufuge anyị. Biko, dufuge anyị. See us off. Okay? It belongs to us. Onke anyị. Onke anyị. It belongs to us. Onke anyị. Okay? She is our mother. She is our mother. O nne anyị ka ọ wụ. She is our mother. O nne anyị ka ọ wụ. She is our mother. O nne anyị ka ọ wụ. Anyị, us, anyị, we, anyị, are. Okay? Good. Now the next one is they, them, they, them. In Igbo, that translates fa or va. Fa or va. Va or fa. Fa or va. They, them. Okay? Fa na-abịa. They are coming. Fa na-abịa. They are coming. Va na-abịa. They are coming. Okay? Va na-agba ọsọ. Va na-agba ọsọ. They are running. Va na-agba ọsọ. They are running. Va na-agba ọsọ. They are running. Va na-eli nri. They are eating. Va na-agba egwu. Fa na-agba egwu. They are dancing. Va na-agba egwu. They are dancing. So we have fa or va for them or they. Alright? Now let's repeat ourselves. The first on our list is I or me. I or me. In Igbo, that translates m or mu. M or mu. The next one, we have you. Gi. You. Gi. In the plural of you, we have unu. 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 Then we have he, she, or it. That is o or o. O or o. Okay? We have him, her. That is ya. 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 Then we also have the we, us, our. That is anyị. Anyị. Then the last but not the least for today is they or them. They or them. We've come to the end of today's video. Odomanya na nkuzi nke taa nwere ulu ọbara, okay? You see the gi, you. Nwere ulu ọbara, okay? That is, I believe you learned a thing or two. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I make new uploads, you'll always be the first to be notified. I'm going to call you. See you in my next video. Bye.